Hi, I'm Muhammad, an Excel and Google Sheets expert. And in this video, I'll walk you through an automated tool that I prepared for a client in the construction industry. So let's get started. The client needed an automated tool for his team to use on site, on mobile for estimating cost and their material. So they provide me with their pricing list and product list. I built a Google Sheet based tool from scratch. So first I prepared this job card sheet and then this admin log sheet. I also prepared two sheets, but these are hidden because the client asked me to hide those. One is the pricing of all products and second one is used for creating drop downs and etc. So the main issue the client facing is that when they calculate their material and calculate cost, they need to copy paste these into the admin sheet for their bookkeeper. So I came here and by using clean and efficient scripting logic, I prepared two app scripts, one for transferring foreign data from this job card sheet to admin log, and second one is to clear the form so they don't have to backspacing or deleting previous entries regularly. So let me show you how this works. First, I fill this sheet, this cell, then the date, address, builder name. So I just add quantity for these two and one quantity for that. So here you can see that there is none of the price is listing here. It is just because I hide two columns there. One is the unit price column and second one is the total price column. I did this because client wants their employees don't to see the price. So that's the reason behind this. So let me just click the button like that, and these entries are submitted successfully into the admin log sheet. And let me just show you. Here it is. All the fields automatically transferred between these sheets. And in this admin log sheet, the unit price and line total columns are present. So back to the job card sheet. Now we can clear all these cells by clicking just one button. Here is that. Now the script will run and the form cleared pop-up is here. Now by clicking OK, all these fields that we have just filled gonna remove from the form. So this is how it works. And thanks for watching. If you need a custom based, a Google Sheet based custom tool or any kind of automation for you and for your team, I'm here to help.